Hi guys, our goal of this video was to share my work with you guys because it's required for this course of Purple and so you to have learned some basics element and tags of what is I learned and some of HTML, my HTML tag knowledge. Our video topic was some HTML tags that this course not yet covered. So it's some self-research on the internet of what can I use HTML tag to finish this project. So the admin of Purple let me pick 5 tags that I use to this web page or HTML document I created so far. I create a simple website on this HTML document and for extra credit put by the Purple in the description of the project I used hyphen tag which is this one. This is to preview the thumbnail of the YouTube link, but in this Internet Explorer it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe I'll try later on Google Chrome. Hi guys, so I use or open with Google Chrome the HTML document I created, but also it doesn't run or video unable. So I use JSpin display also the lecturer in purple and it's working here. I've been used to use some YouTube link or video link using their HTTP link and put it in the attribute src. So that's all for the extra credit here. Iframe. Thanks iframe. We use or we browse to uh, the code. So I will uh, put some description of those 5 tags that I use that not covered yet by purple. So I use the center tag used to align to the middle of the page or the element. So it's a alt tag known also on your high school days teach in your computer subject. So it's a basic tag frequently or always use in HTML. So the next one is site tag. Site tag is defines the title of a creative work, which is here. the the creative work was The Strong Girl Boyhood by Lee Young Min, the director. Okay, and also I use the font tag, which is the p tag makes the p tag is the p tag inside the font was modified or makes unique than others element because uh, font tag was to change certain qualities of a block of text. It's much easier to do this in CSS, but it's not part of the lecture yet, so it was used in this font tag only. Okay. So the next one is BR tag, allowing you to create a line break to those elements. So here BR tag, we'll find some BR tag which there's a BR tag on these elements. So that's why it's not so close to the font in P paragraph, which is this. There's a BR here appear here in the top of the image. So the next tag I've been used was the meta tag, which you can see on page layout, page choice, sorry, which is this. Uh, for example, name, description, and content. This site is created for the information is the story. So that's all for the project assignment of Purple, and thank you guys for watching.